Yeah, the day after the blizzard. It's actually still continuing here on a Monday. Pretty gnarly weather last night. It just never stopped blowing, never stopped snowing. These are just the drifts out in front. I cut a walkway already this morning. So let's see. It's about piled up. I had to pile it up this high, but basically the drift was just below knee high. I call that maybe 20 inches right out here. Pretty white out. Still whipping around, still got a good breeze going on. Actually the backyard did pretty good because it was blowing north. So I didn't have a lot of digging to do down the side of the house here. It was pretty clear to start with. I haven't gotten down to the boat yet. Looks like the motorcycle tent is doing okay. I got a new power washer tent buried this morning, so I'm going to deflaw that before I start using the snowblower. One pile is full as a barbecue, leaning up against the tent. Just going to get into the shed, just cleared away. I had a 3-foot drift in front of the shed. This is down by the water. What it looks like so far. Rocking and rolling. Got to do the boat. Got to make sure everything is copacetic on there. And the north wind blew a lot of debris on the bulkhead here. Happy Blizzard 2010.